This is how I reset my nails after the holidays. After all the festive manicures, I love going back to something short, clean, healthy and low maintenance, especially in January. Before we start, I really love turning my nail routine into a ritual. I light a candle, put on some music, a podcast or a series, and I take my time doing proper nail care. First, I'm removing my holiday manicure. Here I'm wearing the Manucurist green system. It's still looking really well even after 10 days of wear, without using a lamp. To remove it, I'm using the green nail polish remover, which is specially made for the green range. It's very gentle, nourishing, and it leaves the nails shiny instead of dry. I always start by properly prepping my nails. This is exactly what I do before any manicurist manicure, green flash, green system, or even when I'm just applying a nail treatment. First, I clean the nails, and then I apply the cuticle softener. This is a real game changer, especially if your cuticles get dry or rough. It has a gel texture that gently softens the skin, making it very easy to push the cuticles back. I apply it around the cuticles, wait about 2 minutes, then gently push them back with a cuticle pusher. After this step, I always wash my hands to remove any residue. Next, I file my nails and shorten them for that clean girl manicure look. I also carefully remove the dead skin from the corners of the nails. I really dislike when dead skin gets hard, and I always want my nails to feel soft and clean. Then I use a buffer to smooth, lightly polish, and add a natural shine to the nails. Winter can be very harsh on the hands. My nails, cuticles, and skin get dry very fast, so I make sure to give them extra attention. I noticed that when I leave my nails bare without any treatment, they become even more dry, sensitive, and weak. That's why when I'm not wearing green flash or green system, I always apply a nail treatment. Before the treatment, I apply the nail and cuticle serum. It hydrates, strengthens, and helps regenerate damaged, dry, and brittle nails. I gently massage it into the bare nails until it's fully absorbed. For today, I'm applying Active Smooth 02, which is a CC polish treatment. It smooths the nail surface, blacks imperfections, and evens out the nail beautifully. I honestly love everything from the Manicurist Active range. These treatments completely changed my nails after I stopped doing salon gel manicures, which had damaged them a lot. Active Smooth 02 has a beautiful brown nude shade. I usually apply 3 coats because I love a slightly more intense color, but 1 or 2 coats also look very natural and clean. The finish is super glossy and looks so healthy. To deeply nourish everything, I finish with a nail and cuticle oil, followed by a hand cream. I love how well groomed and healthy my nails look after this routine. I really hate when my hands and nails feel dry, especially in winter, and this routine honestly saves them. So this is how I reset my nails after the holidays, guys. I absolutely love this glossy clean result, do you? If you want to recreate this look or try Manicurist for yourself, you can get 15% off automatically at Manicurist US and UK when shopping through my links below. No code needed. Everything I used in this video is linked in the description. Just add your favorites to your basket and the discount applies automatically at checkout. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!